Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you how you can install Go programming language runtime in your Windows operating system, Windows 11 machine. And so without further delay, let's get started. So to install Go, first we need to download that executable file from Go official website. So for that, open any of your favorite browser. I'm opening Google Chrome, and just simply type Go language and then search. So then you will find the list of option to links from the search. So click on the very first link. It's the official link, and then click download. So this will take you to the download option. So here you can see the options for different OS. So here we have Windows and Apple Mac OS, and then Linux, and then source. So now we are going to install for Windows. So just click on Microsoft Windows. So that will start to download that file. So we'll wait for some time. Once it is complete, we'll install. Yeah, the download is completed. Click on the file, and it will start to install the process. So now the dialog box is open. Click next, and just accept the end user license agreement. Click next, and so this is the folder path where the Go will be installed. So it will be installed in program files with the folder name as Go. Then I'm okay with this folder path. Click next, and then install. So the installation process is in progress. It will take some time to complete. The installation process is complete. Click finish. So now there is a one final step we have to do, which is copy the Go path and add it into our system environment variables. So for that, go to the file explorer and go to the drive, and then program files. I have added the Go path in the program file, so that's why I'm moving to program files. In your case, if you have changed the path, modify it accordingly. So in C drive program files, go, and inside the Go folder you will have one bin folder. Open it and just copy this path. Now go to the search option and type environment variable. So the very first option, edit the system environment variable. Open it, and under advanced section you will see an option for environment variables. Open it, and in the system variables there will be a variable named path, and edit that variable and paste the Go path here. So it's already added. So now we are good to go. In case if it is not present, paste the path here and click OK and OK, and then apply. Now to verify if it is installed, open the command prompt and type Go version. Yeah, so you can see the Go version is 1.21.5. So the Go is successfully installed in Windows 11 machine. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. And if you have liked the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.